Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In 3 seconds in, you already want to click off the video. Only jokes. God damn it. Okay, allergies. So the green beans. Make my way around. Look it. Little guy. Hello. Kind of a bigger one right here. Look at that. Gonna get some green beans pretty soon. You stupid vines. I hate you every year. But I don't like to tear them off the plants. Yeah, I got some solid green beans in here. Oh, that one's a long one right there. These guys, do you have any? You got little ones. There was plant there. It did not grow. Vines, get out. I'll catch you later. UFPS guy. Look at that one. That one's a pretty solid one right there. Same in here. We're all getting some green beans after. So this is a crop update. Let's get some water on these guys. Get on one hand this. Yep, you're on the one I want. Oh God, Jesus. Hold up. Just sit there. There's dust in my eye. Oh jeez. So you know the sugar beets? That's grass. It's maize. Of course, that stuff is ready to tassel. This stuff just started growing like I think a month ago. Okay, so I just usually spray the leaves with not much power, and then we go under like this. I do it like that because, hold up. I do it like that because I kept on breaking the flowers which grow the green beans. See, there are some now. Not from the water though. Is this water hot? Is it hot? Oh yeah, definitely hot. Oh yeah. And then flood irrigate. Hey yo, the pizza here. Okay. We'll walk over here. Already turn it into a long one. More than people are gonna watch. Cause you guys wanna watch my minute video? No, bro. You get nothing good in minutes. Like a few minutes. Always, this is all live. All live from your buddy's hand. That has gotten you a video. For the carrots. Kind of flatten them a little bit. Oh well. I'll perch back up. I haven't given you guys water in a few days. There's a few weeds in there, so all the carrots. Very bushy. Look at that. A lot of it should pop back up. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Right? Couple walk over here. Ink it a little bit with my ass since I have nothing. Actually, let's pull out a bit more. Okay. Ooh, it feels good. Okay. POV, you are the water sprinkler. Oh, it's really pretty. Look at that water. I can't even look at that. You can see individual drips. It's pretty. Alright, now we'll slowly slope down like this. Now we go do the second part. Oh, that was shut. I'll let this run for a while. Yep, water is running through it. And the sprinkler will be starting. There we go. It is on. It is on. There's another hole. But let's see. Watermelon, 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 water. Might be my cantaloupe right there. Actually, that one might be a watermelon, but that one is definitely one with the weird stick right there. Oh, I have it. Yeah. One with the weird stick and the straight one right there. Those are watermelons. Is it cold? Oh, yep. It's cold. And the pots, man. What the hell is that? What kind of weed is that? I'll get you later. Oh yeah. So when we got done collecting all the grass, we had a pile. And strange enough, I don't know what, but there was a lot of corn in it. So now, or maize. I don't know. Is there a difference? There might be. You guys tips are a little up. I don't know, I left you in for quite some time yesterday. How's the soil looking? Oh yeah, it's still wet. You okay? We'll let it run for an hour. Yeah, I left it on way too long last night. From what? 4 to 7? 4 to like 9? Not good. But it'll be fine. We're gonna mow soon. Like tomorrow. So, yeah. If you guys did enjoy the video, please smash like. I appreciate it. If you're new, subscribe. We'll have more plant things in the future. I will show off the alfalfa next video. Next video, yes, next video. Oh, somebody's home. I'm gonna check that out. Peace. Just peace. Bye.